Crispin Orthotics provides an orthotic service and products to the National Health Service and to private patients. The industry for orthotics tends to be quite traditional in manufacturing. What we decided to do was look at various types of technology that we could implement to try and improve the products and make them more accurate. These products tend to be insoles, knee braces, wrist supports, back supports, collars. 3D printing allows the creation of products that we've not been able to manufacture previously.
The HP machine is streets ahead of what we've had before. It actually allows you to produce completely different devices that will give the same, if not better performance with better patient outcomes.
We can use a type of materials which we've not had access to. It also allows us to use fairly complex geometries, which we can then develop new products for the patients that are more effective and can be more cosmetic.
The fact that we can make them much more minimal but keeping the same strength, so we can create much more modern looking things, stronger things, but reducing the bulk and generally improving cosmesis in people's lives.
Everything we do is quite unique. I think at the moment we're probably doing maybe 50 or so devices per week.
We can literally manufacture anything. It has been nothing short of a real eye-opener. I think in 12 months' time we'll be doing things that even now we have no idea that we can manufacture. It really is that revolutionary in the orthotics industry.